Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel post in Canva. Let's dive in. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Select Custom Size. Set the width to 3240 pixels and height to 1080 pixels. Then click Create New Design. Go to File in the top menu. Select Settings and choose Add Guides. Click Custom. Set columns to 3 and ensure the gap is 0. Click Add Guides to split your canvas into 3 equal sections. This setup creates 3 slides of 1080 by 1080 pixels each. Design your carousel as one long artboard. Align elements across all sections for smooth transitions. Once done, click Share in the top right corner and download the file as a PNG or JPG. Next, use an online image splitter. Open a browser and search for Instagram Image Splitter. Click to open the first website. Upload your downloaded carousel design. Set the split to 3 columns and choose Carousel mode. Click Split Image. Download each split image separately. These are your 3 perfectly aligned Instagram carousel slides. And that's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.